Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle and this line divided this angle equally, and this length is 4 unit and this length is 5 unit. We have to find the area of this euler region. Consider this angle is A, B, C. In this triangle, this line, this CD, is the bisector of angle ACB, as this angle is equal to this angle. Now, applying angle bisector theorem, we can write this BC divided by AC. So BC divided by AC is equal to this BD divided by AD. BD divided by AD. But we know this length as BD is equal to 4 unit. So this is 4 divided by AD. This is 5 unit. So the ratio of BC divided by AC is equal to 4 divided by 5. So consider BC is equal to this as 4 times x. So this AC, this will be 5 times x. So this BC divided by AC will be 4 divided by 5 and this x will cancel. So this BC is 4x and this AC, this is 5x. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we can write this AC square, this hypotenuse square is equal to this height square, which is AB square plus this base BC square. Now substituting all value, we can write AC, this is 5x, so 5x and this square is equal to this AB square. AB is equal to AD plus DB. This AD is 5 and DB is 4, so this AB will be 5 plus 4, 9 unit. So this is 9 square plus BC square. BC is equal to 4x, so 4x and whole square, or 5x whole square is 25x square is equal to this 9 square is 81 plus 4x whole square is 16x square, or taking this 16x square to left side, we will get 25x square, this left side, minus this 16x square is equal to right side will be 81, or 25x square minus 16x square is 9x square is equal to right side 81, or divided both side by 9, we will get x square is equal to 81 divided by 9 is 9, and taking square root to both sides we will get the value of x is equal to square root of 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So this x is 9. So substituting this x, we'll get this base BC is equal to 4x, as x is equal to 3. So this will be 4 times 3 as 12. So this length is 12 unit. Now in triangle, the area of triangle ACD, this yellow area, triangle ACD is equal to the area of triangle ABC, triangle ABC minus area of triangle, this white region, which is BCD, area of triangle BCD. So this yellow area will be area of whole triangle minus area of this small triangle, is equal to area of triangle ABC. This area will be half times base times height. So half times base of triangle ABC is 12 unit, times height of this triangle ABC is 5 plus 4, 9 unit, minus area of triangle BCD. The base of this triangle BCD is 12 unit. So half times base, this is 12, times height of this triangle, which is 4 unit. So this is the area of this yellow region, is equal to 12 divided by this 2 is 6, and 6 times 9 is 54, minus this 12 divided by 2, this is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24, is equal to 54 minus 24 is 30. So this is the area, 30 square unit is the area of this yellow region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.